Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick update on the current Huawei status. There's been some developments since the last video, and I know a lot of you leaving comments that my last video I was missing some information. Well, that was way before these announcements were made. So yesterday, Google has announced that, actually the U.S. government has announced that the ban on Huawei will delay by 90 days, mainly because a lot of some of the smaller networks in the US are still using Huawei network for 4G LTE and stuff like that. So if they shut it down immediately, people might go into dark before they have time to change. So that's primarily the reason. But that also gives Huawei time to basically get prepared for no Play Store. All right, this will delay the Play Store ban and also the update ban for 90 days. Now, we are still in pretty much the same case. After 90 days, it seems like older devices will still get Google Play Store support. All right. But the thing with updates, you probably won't be able to still get updates for your older phones. So we come down to the same situations in 3 months. But this is good news for most of you Huawei owners, that you will have this time to do something about it. I do still suggest selling your Huawei phone, because after 90 days, you're not going to be able to update your devices to newer Android. All right, that will also drive down the prices of your Huawei phones, since people are going to be buying a phone that you cannot update the Android OS. Now, there's been more developments this morning. Huawei has announced, well, they didn't really announce it, but Huawei has already been working on for their own app store that does not depend on Google, all right, which includes, so you can easily download apps and whatnot. Now, you'll still probably be blocked from using Google Apps. You can always use the web version around it. As far as unbanning Huawei, that could also happen, because this could be a result of a trade war going between Trump and China. Of course, this could also go on permanently, depending. There's a pending trial with Huawei CEO's daughter who's in China, and they're going the U.S. is going to try to extradite the Huawei CEO's daughter, and because supposedly she broke the sanctions, Iran sanctions, by funneling $100 million through HSBC Bank to Iran, all right, through their subsidiary company. Now, that we will have to see the evidence, and that's something I think it's gonna either make or break Huawei, because that's, the U.S. obviously has some kind of evidence, and we will take a detailed look at the evidence when it comes out. And if it comes out they are guilty of breaking international sanctions, that's very bad for Huawei or any company that does that. Obviously, right now there's tensions very high between Iran and U.S. also. So that's another factor that's going into this fiasco right now. I think Huawei will be fine. As far as the company, this is not going to kill Huawei, because if you think about it, Huawei's main market. Sorry, let me put my cute doggo down. Say hi. Huawei's main market is in China, mainland China. Most of their sales is in China, so they don't even actually use Play Store. So I don't think those users will be affected. And Google is not banning Huawei from using Android itself. It's only banning the official license part of it, which is the Google Play Store, some of the security updates, and blah, blah, blah. Huawei will still be able to access the open source version, the AOSP, which I think they're actually using that already. It just means that they won't be able to get fully certified by Google. So they'll still be able to use Android for the future, just not Play Store. So I'm not sure how that's going to affect the updates. Maybe they might be able to update it. Just to play it safe, though, I would just sell your Huawei. if you're planning on reselling it, you might as well sell now. If you're not planning on reselling it, you don't mind being stuck on an older OS, then I think you can just keep it. That's fine too. So just watch out for the development of this, or you could just watch my videos. But that's it for right now. I'll have updates on it. Things are just developing. Things are just crazy out there, especially not just with smartphones, but all kinds of taxes imposed by Trump, which I think is pretty crazy. So we'll see what comes out of this. At this point, I'm gonna stick with my Pixel phones, Samsungs, and LGs. And yeah, you still have plenty of choices, so this is not the end of the world. I mean, we were doing fine without Huawei a couple of years ago. Huawei's pretty actually a new player in the Android field. But yeah, obviously they got into some trouble with the law, and that's we will have to see who is really guilty, or if government's making it up, or if Huawei's guilty. Time will tell. So guys, before you attack people with your opinions, nobody actually presented their evidence. Neither the U.S. government or Huawei. All right, so we'll see who's right. But for right now, that's it. And have a great day. And as always, stay hot on Android.